All right, so I'm going to explain how to remove somebody from an email sequence based on a quote unquote opt out. So if you have a few campaigns that are going and somebody opts into a whole bunch of lead magnets and they're in all these campaigns and they want to mute themselves and they want to opt out of a specific campaign but not opt out of your entire list, this is one way to do it. Okay, so I've just got my test account up here, so there's really nothing happening here. So just be aware of that when you see any of the stats if we happen to jump into those. But I'm going to go into this test email. There's really nothing here. This is just a, dummy text here just to show what's going on. So I've just put in something here about, if you don't want to hear about this promotion, click here to mute these promotional emails or whatever. So this is what they're going to do, and they're going to click here. And so the very first thing that you're going to do before you do this is you're going to create, which I did not do, but you're going to create a landing page, right? Just go to Pages and create a page that says, "Hey, you've been muted from this, or you're no longer in this sequence. No problem, whatever, something like that." It's a mute page or a opt out page or an internal opt out page, whatever you want to call it. So I, just created this thing called, HTTP mute page. It's going to be the URL, obviously, of the page you create here in Kajabi or wherever else, right? So that's where they're going to go when they click on this this link, and I would select that to new window, right? So they're going to go here. They're going to click this, and now you've got this in this email, right? So let's go back to the sequence, and now what you're going to do is you're going to say, I'm sorry, not here, on that email, sorry, on the email automation, you're going to say when the email is clicked right here, and you're going to say, it's going to ask you what clicked, and then you're going to say when somebody clicks on this thing, then you right here unsubscribe them from email sequence. Now you can do this a couple of different ways. You could also add a tag that says mute from whatever, promotion A, promotion B. Now, there's different ways of doing this. You can do both ways. If you just unsubscribe them from the email sequence, then you don't know if they were in the email sequence unless they've been tagged some other way. I like to use tags for, to look for different people who were in the campaign or who are muted. So if I wanted to send out a broadcast to people who are in this campaign or who have this product, there might be a reason for you to tag them and say they've been muted, they don't want to hear about this. But in your instance, because they're in an automation or like a sequence that's already going out automated, then you might not need the tag. You can just say unsubscribe them from this and they're gone. So you could do both. You could say unsubscribe and add a tag if you wanted to search for them later. That's up to you. But that's the easiest way to do it, is to go here and say, when they click on this, unsubscribe them from the email sequence, and that is it. You just select the email sequence, which is going to be this one here, and they're done, right? And you save that. So let me just go here and say freebie email sequence. I'm going to say save, and boom, right there. So you see that? I picked the wrong one, but you get what I'm talking about, right? So when they click that, they're going to be unsubscribed from here, and that is how you kind of quote unquote opt them out of this or any email sequence without opting them out of your list. Hope that helps. I'll talk to you soon.